So it says, what is the number at the parking space covered up by the car in the series below? So first 4, then 7, then 12, 19. The car cover up that number. We're not sure about the number. Then last we have 39. So what plus 4 gives you 7? 3. When you subtract 4 from 7, that is 3. Then when you subtract 12 from 7 from 12, you get 5. So that shows that each we're counting by odd numbers each time. So the next one would be 7. So 12 plus 7 gives you 19. So then the next one would be 9. So 19 plus 9 is 28. So the space that the car is in would be 28. And then 28 plus 11 gives 39. So therefore, the answer would be A, 28.
Very good. Very good. There's nothing to add to that. Very good, Xavier. I'm so proud of you, Auntie. All right, let's move on to the next one. Even though I said people mustn't call me, guys, everybody are calling me. They don't like when we have class, but they don't understand. Answer, so. Hey, can I call you back at 6? Me now, big class now. Yeah. All right. All right. Thanks so much. Why took it number 22, guys? Please put 22 before you put it. All right. Many persons actually chose 26. The rest chose 28. I didn't see anybody choose any option but those two. So look at them closely, guys. Don't rush to answer.
Was the To find my answer, I said 7 times 5, and, which is 35. Then I plus it by 3, which would give me 38. So my answer is 5.
But you're not gonna tell them why, is that they say 2 times 3 plus the 6 give it the 9. Remember, I see some persons were saying they don't understand. So it's 3 times 5 plus this, right? 3, 5, 15 plus 3. So guys, you have to look at it carefully. As I say, even adults struggle with these. Adults, high school students, brilliant students struggle with these. So it's not a walkover. You have to observe very carefully, right? You can't just look at the pattern. They had 2, 3, 3, and they end up with 9. 3, 5, 3, and they end up with 18. So you have to just do some little trial and error first. All right. So we end up as we multiplying these two numbers and add the last one. That's it. So that's how we get the 18. Look, 3 times 5 plus 3. 3, 5, 15 plus 3 equal 18. And it have to be the same rule for all. And it is 2 times 3 plus 3. 2, 3, 6 plus 3, it gives you the 9. So you can just say which number they multiply by 7 and add 3. Right? So you multiply the number by 7, add 3, and the answer should be 38. So you can just do the opposite of it. So 7x equal to 38 minus 3. You want to do it this way as well. I've seen my students did this last year, and they get the 5 just the same. So this is not too complex for some students to answer, but it is correct. All right, very good. Thanks, Rochelle. You're one of them that I've seen growing so much. Just know, sister, proud of you, all right? And guys, I know that you're gonna come up on questions that you do not have any idea at all how to answer. I know, all right? But we have to still try, all right? Of course, the explanation will come after. Examine the first two rows in the pattern below. to determine the number to replace the question mark. So again, you have to observe what's happening. 0 to 0, 1 to 1/3, 3 to what? Go ahead and answer that, please. Good luck, everyone. You have to think, guys. Like when I was going to school, my teacher would say, put on your thinking cap. They always say that to us when we are the mental. It's literally a lot of brain. All right, go ahead.
Okay. So it says to examine the first two rows in the pattern below to determine the number to represent the question mark. So we know that 0 equals 0, and 1 equals 3, 1 over 3. But 3 doesn't give us the answer for 8. It couldn't be giving you back 3 because 1 does not give you back itself. And the only one that I see that gives it back as its same number is 0. And it can't be 2 because of the same reason. And 1. It can't be 1, but it will be 3/4.
All right, so
Because
your answer is A.
yes, sir.
Thanks so much. Let's see if the others agree. No one hand is up. Who want to disagree or agree? Let me know, please. All right, Xavier is up. Go ahead, Xavier.
Sir, I disagree.
Disagree, why?
Sir, because when you say 3 into 0, that is 0. Then you say 3 into 1, that is 1/3. Then when you say 3 into 3, that is 1. So it couldn't be 3/4, it would be B, 1.
Okay. So let me just quickly find out if the others agree. So it's either, based on the two presenters, it's either 3/4 or 1. Let me just call on someone. I think this person is your first time here. Adrianique. Adrianique. That's your name. Pronounce your name, please. Go ahead, Adrianique.
My name is Adriani.
Adrianique.
I
If you're
I
some pressure,
chose
guys, with the name, man. Why we can't just name them some regular name? Adrianique. All right, go ahead. Which one you agree with, or do you agree with either of them?
I agree with the one that said B because 0 equals to 1 and the
Well, 0 equals 0, not 1.
yeah, sorry, 1 equals to 1/3. So I added the one the 1/3 to the 3 times, and I got 3/3. So that would equals to what?
Okay. I never look at it the way you did, But that make a lot of sense, guys. This is what she did, right? She's saying that if 1 is equal to 1/3, and if you have 3, it would be 3 ones. So it would be 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. I never look at it that way, but that is very good. So it's actually 1 for real. I look at it less like how Xavier looked at it, but I never looked at it that way. You see that, guys? It's the learning process even for sir. Very good. Thanks so much. Some easy ones in there, like this. Everybody are going to say, that one here too easy. Let's look at 24, guys. All right. It says if that represents that, then that represents, pick your answer. And let me know. Please put the number beside it. We're at number 24. Some are easy. Go ahead.
So, sir, if 4 of these little tiny squares over here equal to one out of the 4, then for the the last part, I would have to use all of these to make groups of 4, and I would get 2 groups of 4. So then it would be a
Yeah.
2/4.
Yeah. I'm not gonna prolong it. Very good. Guys, look at it. It's basically this represents a half, right? The fraction. A half is shaded. 2 out of 4 is a half, right? This you can see every one. You have 2 out of 4. For every line, 2 out of 4, 2 out of 4. You see? So it's a half. So it would have been that for 2. Good job. Thanks so much, Kelly. Some are easy, some are difficult. This one is difficult. I'm telling you it is. Some persons will be able to figure it out though, but it's not. This is something we have to put on social media. So go ahead for 25. Good luck with it, guys. Let's go for 25 now. Let me pause.
Okay, sir. So the question asks, what is the correct weight to replace the question mark in diagram D? So in A, it is 8 kilograms. Then in B, it is 16 kilograms. In C, it is 20 kilograms. And in D, there's a question mark. So 8 plus 8 gives 16. And 16 plus 4 gives 20. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that's how they got the 4 to add it to be 20 kilograms. So then that means that you divide the 4 by 2 and then you'd add 20 plus 2, then you get 22 kilograms.
All right.
So
Can I just go back? What's the value of, we could call it the chicken. What's the number for the chicken?
the chicken,
Mm-hmm.
so it looks like about 4.
Oh, you know which one to.
Sir, can you please repeat that?
Oh, you know it's 22. Oh, you get it. That's what I was
Sir,
wondering.
Sir, because when I added the 8 to the 8 kilograms, they got 16 kilograms.
Which is
Then,
this?
yes, sir. Then they add 4 to the 16 kilograms and got 20. So I said 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 16 plus 4, you get 20 kilograms. So then you would divide the 4 by 2 and you get 2 kilograms. So therefore you'd add the 2 kilograms to the 20 kilograms and you get 22 kilograms for D.
Oh, so your answer is 22. All right, let
Yes,
me
sir.
take that. As I say, I want to hear from more than one person. Thanks so much. I see a lot of hands going up. Let's hear from Polly's. We haven't heard from Polly's all afternoon. Go ahead, Polly's.
So, sir, since the question asks, what is the correct way to represent the question mark for diagram D, I would have to find what is the weight of the chicken first. To
Because I
find the
like
weight
to
of the
eat
chicken,
chicken, right?
To find the weight of the chicken, I would minus 16 kilograms by 20 kilograms.
All right, hold on.
Once I do that, the chicken's weight will be 2 kilograms.
So the chicken weighs 4. That's what you're saying, right? The chicken would weigh 4. Hello? That's what you're saying. The chicken weighs 4. 4. Not. Yeah, man, we are in class from nearly 1:10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you say chicken are 4. All right. Yeah, man. What
And
next?
then I'll divide the 4 by 8.
That's a half, right?
Yes, sir. And sir, I'll divide I'll I'll divide the 8 by the 2, which will equal no, the 4 by the 2, which will equal to 2.
What's your final answer?
And then, sir, I'll add the cat and the dog's weight all together with the 2, which came from the chicken.
Okay.
And
What's your
that's how I'm
final
gonna
answer?
answer. 22.
22. So you are saying 22 as well. Explanation kind of blurry. All right. Let me check on Brian. Brian, your first time, your second time, miss? No.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you
So
got it.
I realized that the chicken and the cat weigh 18. No. So I thought that maybe the
18?
chicken
Oh, 8. 8. Okay.
ate.
Okay. All right.
So I thought maybe the chicken was 2 kilograms while the cat was 6. And I was right because the chicken versus the dog. Dog's 14 and the chicken is a 2. So when you add up 2 and 14, you get 16 kilograms. That is the amount they actually weigh. And then it says so the cat and the dog weigh 20. So the 6 that the cat weighs plus the 14 that the dog weighs equals 20 kilograms. So if I add the chicken, the cat, and the dog, the chicken would be 2, the cat would be 6, the dog would be 14, and then when you add them up, you get 22 kilograms.
Yeah. It's correct. Definitely. Definitely. Good job. So guys, you did trial and error and it make a lot of sense, right? Because we can see for ourselves, it add up to that. Can I show you guys another way? It's a bit complicated because this one is a bit complex, but let us take into consideration what we have, right? So basically we have the chicken plus the cat, and that gives us what? 8. So we can form some equations, right? The chicken plus the dog give you 14. 16 rather. So if you look at it, 2 chicken plus the cat and the dog would give you add these two to give you the total, agree? Because when you add the 2 chicken plus the cat and the dog, you'll get 16 plus 18, which is 24. But we know that the cat and the dog weighs 20. Magic. So that means the 2 chicken has to weigh 4 pounds. Aye. 4 pound 2 chicken equal 4. So that means 1 chicken is 2. So once you find the 2, as Brian says, it's cakewalk from there. But don't worry, guys. So we're going to teach you guys equations just time. All right? But very good, Brian. Very good observation. Everybody got it, but everybody got it in a different way. I think his explanation was really good with the trial and error. And nothing is wrong with that. I absolutely love it. All right, so let's move on to 25. 26 rather. Everyone should get this quick. Sarah measured the length of her hand in centimeters. The length was between 11.5 to 11.6 centimeters. Which of the following could have been the length of her hand? Good luck to 26. Let's see what you got. Remember to put the number, please. 26. Somebody said they cannot see the screen. Rejoin in here. Good job, Nejon. If you can't see the screen, rejoin, guys. Everyone should be seeing the screen. Everyone. It's a screen sharing, alright? Good job, Nejon. Okay, Fisher. You were correct with the 22, alright? And you're also correct with the 26. Good job. Let's go, let's go. Good job, where? But where? What am I going to do? We pause the video, guys. Answers are coming in, so pause it.
So, sir, number 26 states that Sarah's hands. Sarah wants to figure out the length of her hand. So A would be too low, D would be too high, C would be too low, and the question said in between. So C would be the correct answer.
All right.
B
So
would be the correct answer.
Oh. Look at it, guys. It's between, right? So 11.5 and 11.6. If you look at 11.06, it not reach it yet. It not 11.06 not reach this yet, you know. So it's way out here, so. See there? 5, a 0, right? All right. Look at this now. 11.48. It still not reach this yet. So it's still out of it, right? 11.61. It passed it. So it has to be B. Thanks so much. I don't even remember the person who presented, but good job. Oh, Ariana, good job. Go ahead and send them in now, guys. Let me small up this so everybody can see. If any, it's a which show the correct representation. Which chart correctly represents the information rather? So Danny represented the coin you receive in a change. I'm gonna big it up so you guys can see the coins. And then we can take it from there, all right? Which of these bar graph would represent it? Still have to cater for them, you know. Still love them, all right? Go ahead.
Sir, how I got my answer, sir? As Jamaicans, sir, we must know our pennies, sir. So the first one, sir.
That's exactly what they are, pennies. They are.
Coins.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Coins,
Have
sir.
no use. They have no use. Yeah, man, they are pennies. Go ahead.
Sir, so sir, the first one is a $10, sir. And then the next one, sir, is a $5, sir, and the next one is a $20, sir. So, sir, we have to count all of them, sir. So first, sir, the $10, sir, there are five $10 there, sir. So, sir, and then for the $5, sir, there's six $5. Wait, sir,
So
there's seven.
why is
Seven,
there?
sir.
Okay. I'm gonna say
Sorry.
why is there 7?
Sir, and then, sir, for the $20, sir, there's four $20. So, sir, we're gonna go to the chart now, sir. So, sir, not all the numbers that we found here, sir, are gonna be on the chart, sir. So, for $10, sir, we have five, sir. So we're gonna go on our chart, sir, and look for five, $10. Sir, and then the first one, sir, couldn't be it, sir. So we're gonna scroll down to number two, sir,
This is
which
actually true though.
yes, sir. So, sir, we can see that there is not five on the chart, sir, but we can look on the interval, sir. So, sir, after 2, 3, 4, sir, and then, sir, so five is on that one, sir. But we're not only looking for five, sir. We're looking for the rest of numbers, sir. So let us go with the $20, sir, which we have three. Wait, no, four. Sorry, four. And now we're gonna look on the chart that we got the five. See if we're gonna have four $20. And when we look there, sir, we don't see we do we? Yes, sir, we do see it, sir. Now we're looking for $5, sir. And for $5, sir, we have six, right? Am I? Oh, seven. Sorry, sir. Seven, sir. But sir, we don't see seven there, sir. So we can also look for the intervals as well again, sir. So six and then seven, sir. So two would be the correct answer.
Chart 2. Simple. Very good. A lot of persons got that. Very good. I like the explanation though. So that would have been B. All right. All right. This one's, I'm going to big it up, guys. This one says, use the diagram below to answer the question. How many boxes did Mr. Williams deliver to the office? And we are at 28 now, Julissa. 28. Let me big it up so you can see the boxes. All right, cool. So we are 28. Go ahead and answer that now. Akil, put the number, please. Still not find the instructions. It's very simple. The others are doing it, they're following the instructions. Just put the number and the letter. Don't put whatever. Just put the number and the letter. Right. So you put 28. If you think it's A, you put 28A. If you think it's B, you put 28B. If you think it's C, you put 20 something C and then 28D, etc., etc. Go ahead now, go ahead now. I would love to hear the explanation.
Just for my answer, sir. Sir, somebody get 9 at first, sir. So and then we didn't realize we did the wrong thing, sir. So because some of the box and can't stand up without some box under each other, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I love that you say that. I absolutely love that you say that. Sorry for interrupting. Go ahead. Good job.
There's a 3 box. Yes, sir.
All right,
So
start from the front. Start from the front. Because the others want to see how you get it. Because some people might be saying, "Oh, you get that." Explain to them.
So the at the back part, sir, the top, sir. You have 3 boxes, sir, and 2 boxes under the top box, sir.
Yeah, so you have 3 here, sir.
Yes, sir.
That line here. All right.
Then, sir, at the 2 side of the top box, sir, you have to have 1 box under that, sir. So that means 2 box under 1 box under each of them plus 1 at the top, sir. Which I will give you 2, sir. Sir, then the one at the bottom, sir, is going to be 3, sir. Sir, plus 1, the last one, sir, at the right side, sir.
Yeah, we did that one already. The one with 3.
That means, sir, so 4 at the bottom, sir, 3 at the middle top, sir, and 1 at the top.
Oh, you do them by section. All right. So you change up, man. Yeah, it's correct though. I agree that it's 11. Guys, let me see if I can explain it in. But as he said, the box have to dip on the box. So if that you see a box here, so it means that it dip on a box. But let us start from here. This will be 1, right? 1 I got the here, so below this one. So you have 2, and the one below make 3, this make 4. You have this make 5, this 6, 7, 8, and then you have 3 here. So 8 plus 3, 11. It takes a while for some persons to see it, but remember, they can't stand alone. And look at he said that. It's not like you have a box up there and there's no other. 2 boxes are behind, below it. Good job, Inmar. And guys, we're going to do volume for the performance so we're definitely going to be looking at that, all right? And in my book, you will see some of them like that with the cutout something. I talk about the volume and so forth. All right. At last year, boys and girls championship, it was estimated that half the national stadium seating capacity of 35,000 patrons were cheering for KC team. Which of the following could not be the actual number of people cheering for the KC team? So you guys can go ahead and answer that one. Read it for yourselves.
So long. I've been waiting to ask you this.
Okay, go ahead now.
Why are you keeping us overtime, sir?
No, I'm not. Because I was thinking that we could do it to reach to it, but we're not close, so it's okay.
Oh.
So that's what you wanted to ask. Long time? I won't.
Long time.
All right. You want to answer this question as well? Like you're on the floor already?
No, sir. I'd rather let somebody do it else.
All right. So let me call on someone else. Give me a minute, guys. My battery was dying. Something else. All right, let me call on someone else. Thanks so much. Go ahead, Leandra.
In this question, it says, at last year's Boys and Girls Championship, it was estimated that half the national stadium seating capacity of 35,000 patrons were cheering for a KC team. Which of the following could not be the actual number of people cheering for the KC team? In the question, it says it was estimated that half. So half is basically a keyword in that state of matter. So since it said half, I'm going to divide 35,000 divided by 2, which gave me what? Which gave me 17,500. Since 17,500 is the half, we will look at the options and see that 17,500 is there. It 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 can be 16,975. It could be 17,000, and it cannot be 22,500. Why? Because it is above the number 17,500.
I agree with you. I agree. Right? It's an estimation, but it could not be that one. All right? That one is far out. All of these are close, right? The actual could be 17,500, but the rest pretty close. And when I round up this, I get 17,000. Remember, it's an estimate to the nearest thousand. This as well. This is 17,000 already. Even though the nearest thousand, this would be 18. But this is the actual amount, right? Yeah, so let's move on to 30. Which is the best estimate for the length of a football? You guys know a football? Let's go. Which is the best estimate for the length of a football? Agree, Ravona. This is an estimate, right? So technically, an estimate shouldn't be wrong, but we have good estimate, all right? I'm expecting the boys who like to kick balls so much to get this correct. And so far, I've seen more girls get it correct than boys. What's happening? Boys, you kick ball all the time. Come on, man. Come on. What's happening? Correct, Kaylee. So all the girls them know it, so. And the boys like to kick football, so man, come on, guys. I cannot believe this. Unbelievable. But it's hold on, let me see something. Let me see somebody. Oh, I want you to check because you actually have small ball and big ball. So you cannot check if it's true. Cannot check if it's true. All right, Mr. Go say, Mr. Go work with my answer. Mrs. One next answer, guys. I say, you know, it could be that, but still go work with the general one, cause I'm not. Well, they didn't say small ball, so I could just say I want regular ball, and that is about that. So I agree, Deandra. All right, I was actually contemplating it. I'm actually gonna measure one as I get the chance. I think you reach so much, you know. Ariane, I didn't see which one you picked. So which one you picked in a hurry. Jalen, I go work with that answer here, you know, but I could be wrong, you know, I could be wrong on this one. I see your answer that can be close. Jamil, I'm gonna work with my answer. But I'm gonna actually measure one, guys, so when we meet Sunday again, we can actually discuss it. Alright. Let's see if we can get in one more. It's definitely not this one though. Okay, Ariana, I agree with that. But as I said, guys, we're gonna put an asterisk beside this answer, and when we come back, we talk about it Sunday. I'm gonna actually measure it. Because I'm not 100% sure. My son have a football, you know, so I can measure it and we discuss, alright? So we just say at this answer for now, but we're not gonna say that this is forever answer. Just we'll do a little research. The boys them too should have football at home. Go and go check it out and measure it, alright? Get a ruler and measure it. One ruler, what 30 centimeter, that's a 1 foot. Look yellow ruler what you guys have. I see them make some bend up one. That's normally a foot, which is 30 centimeters. So more you guys measure it and let me know. Let me just put on someone because we only have one more question to do, guys. I see somebody named Jade Cummins. I think that's the first time this person's at the call. Go ahead, Jade.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not mirror. Is the mirror like the mirror is it
Not hearing Jade at all. Well, on the Jade, I think my probably on my something. Go ahead.
I'm here. Can you hear me now?
Yes, definitely. I think it was my fault. Go ahead.
So wait. So it says which is the best estimate for the length of a football? 2 centimeters, 5 inches, 1 foot, 3 feet. I think the closest would either be 5 inches or 1 foot.
That's what I'm thinking as well. One of these two. Which one you pick though? Javid said B. And then again, what one day for the football you never talk. America call this football, you know. The handball, they call it handball football. You know this one of them fling? So one day if it's this one or is this one. It's between these two guys. We're gonna research it. I would say it's about a foot. I think it probably because one of your joint, one adult joint is about an inch. So I could just kind of estimate it. So one adult joint that we go so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the length is bigger than 5, right? And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it's about a foot. But we're gonna do our research and see which one is closest. All right. So you guys can do that for your homework, and this is the final one. All right. Shireen said 5 inches. Guys, we're gonna come back to it, man. We're not gonna shut down 5 inches. All right. We're not gonna shut it down at all. This one said, Mr. Brown design a piece of art outlining equilateral triangles with wire. And they give you the measurement on it, and it said, how much wire did Mr. Brown use to complete this piece of art? He said 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 24 centimeters, or 55 centimeters. So we're gonna meet on Sunday. Somebody remind me that we finish at 31, so we're supposed to start at 32. I know you guys are very good at that. Let's see the answers now for 31. Danny Weir, it's not the football field, you know. It's the football, one where you kick. All right. So check it out. So 31 is that. 31 is that. I agree, Barrett. Good job. Ravona, I agree as well with 31. Good job. All right. Brian said, his football is more than 5, but it is closer to 5 or 12. That's the thing, you know. Because them say the best estimate. I'm gonna measure my son ball and then we can talk about it. I think it passed 5 though. But if it's like 7, 7 is closer to 5 than 12. So that again, you understand? We have to think about that too. It's the closest one. I agree, Adrianic. Good job. Sasha, I agree. Oh, Ravona, there's no class tomorrow. You must have holidays heard upon you guys. Tarek Kaylee, it's the first in over a year I won't have any class. All right, Ravona says she want to pray for us. Guys, we've been doing that in summer school. So Ravona is gonna pray for us after everyone complete, all right? Correct Nejon, correct Police, correct where. Clear is this correct? Clear you don't put a letter, how am I gonna know? There is no answer. Ariana, we're at 31. So send it back, please. Let me see what you did. Correct, Deandra. Correct, Kimara. Good job. Good job, Galloway. Good job. Correct. Yeah, to the new person. Let me see how old is. Lee. Good job, Lee. That will be it. Correct. Xavier, good job. Who's gonna explain this one? I would take 2 students. Jackie said, me, sir. I'm seeing a few weird answers though. I'm wondering how did you guys get that? Yeah, Shaki, that will be it. No problem, Lee, no problem. All right, let me go into the explanation zone. All right, Brian. I know everyone is tired. Sir is tired as well, but just bear, guys. Few more minutes, all right? I am so tired as well. Let's go. We have to have a presenter. Yeah, Michelle. Deandra, my good friend. Go ahead.
Sir, so
All
how
right.
I got my answer was that so I count the lines
Deandra, you
that,
are very low. We're not hearing Deandra.
sir, can you hear me now?
No, we can not hear you. Say, can you hear me now? It's like a little cat. Check your device. Yeah,
Can you hear me now?
barely, but go ahead. I think we can hear.
So, sir, what I did is that I count how many lines that were on the equilateral triangles, and I counted 12. And I multiplied the 12 by the 2 centimeters, and I got 24 centimeters.
All right, thanks. Let me check with Lee. Lee never get a chance to talk. Go ahead, Lee.
So okay, sir. Well, I technically did the same thing, but in a different way.
Say
So,
your way.
what I did was I counted like all the lines. So I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I
Wait,
said, all
wait.
right, I
How you
got,
get the 2? Like across
oh,
like this?
no, sir, not like that.
Oh,
Like,
like 1.
yes, sir, like that. Like
Oh,
1, 2, because you have your unit here, your unit up top there. So you have the 2, 4, 6, 8. So then, all right, because I got the 12 on the outside, I decided that when I, so I said, all right, when I get, because I got the 12 on the outside, I'm going to count what is on the inside. But since there's 12 on the outside, because they're equilateral triangles, there will be 12 in the middle also. So I just added them together and I got the 24.
okay. I'm gonna agree that it's 24, the length, right? Because each one of them is gonna measure 2. So if you look at the top, it's basically a cube, right?
Yes,
If you
sir.
look at the top, you're gonna have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That's 4 of them, right? So that's 8. You have the same measurement for the base, which is another 8, and then you can just count these 2, 4, 6, 8. And when you add everything, you get 24. 3 8 is 24. All right. So
Yes,
Revona,
sir.
thanks so much. Thanks so much, guys, for an awesome class. Revona is gonna pray. Go ahead, Revona.
Dear Heavenly Father, as we wrap up our first week of Sunday classes, We come before you with gratitude and thanksgiving. We thank you for the opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with one another in this virtual space. Bless with one another. Bless the teacher and facilitators who have poured their hearts into preparing and delivering the lessons. Grant him wisdom, patience, and joy as he continues to guide us. As we reflect on the past week, we ask for your guidance and direction. Help us to apply the lessons we've learned and to integrate them into our daily lives. Give us the strength and motivation to keep to 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 keep, to keep pushing forward, even when challenges arise. May our time together in this class be a source of inspiration, encouragement, and support for one another. Help us to build meaningful relationships, to listen with empathy, and to offer words of kindness and uplift. As we close this week, we look forward to the week ahead. May your presence be filled with us, also guiding us, teaching us, and transforming us. In Jesus' name, amen.
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 Bye,
Amen.
sir.
Amen.
Amen.
Bye, sir.
Amen.
Bye,
Amen.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. See you next Sunday.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. See you again. Bye. Coming.
Bye, sir.
I think so.
Adios.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Adios, amigos.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Oh, bye guys. Take care. Great job.
Bye,
Great job.
sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys soon. All right.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
realize I was mute? Bye guys. Take care.
Okay, bye, sir.
Definitely. Take care till Sunday again. All right. We start at 32.
Sir,
Bye,
you
sir.
never replied to my messages.
I did not get them. I replied to everyone. Every single
Bye,
one. My
sir.
fingers are hurting me literally. But I just let you in the class. I didn't see you all along. Send me a
Bye,
message now.
sir.
Here, you have WhatsApp?
Alright,
You
that's
have
real
WhatsApp?
good.
Because I don't think you have the right number. I'm put my number on the screen. I don't think it's the right number. See my number here, 5492161.
Yes, sir. Sir, didn't my grandma call you this morning?
Yeah, but I haven't seen. I haven't. Text me now, let me see something. Because I'm not seeing those. You text it?
I'm going to text it. So I sent it, you see it?
But you're talking 30 alone. I've been replying. See there? Oh, you're talking one. I thought you meant for the entire class. For 30 you're talking. All right, no problem, man. I didn't
And
see that one.
29.
29. Let me check 29. Hold on there. Let me book there. Ah, 29. 29. 29. 29 was A. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Yeah. All right. But next week, all right?
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys soon, all right?